What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. Hey, man, I ain't get them on camera. I ain't want to put them on camera, but them boys, you see them boys over there? They want me to hit that bit. I ain't gonna hit it right here, though. I'm gonna wait till I get in the road. Them boys want me to hit that bit so bad, cuz. I had traction on. I wasn't finna get wicked. I ain't feel like turning my traction off. But them boys wanted me to hit that thing, cuz. So I hit it for them boys. Hopefully they subscribe. They say they would. I appreciate the support. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to grow out here, man. Folks don't even know I do YouTube for real. But yeah, anyway, I know that was kind of a throw it off introduction, but what good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. And you know, we just, I don't know what we're getting into today, man. We just driving, man. I feel like going on a ride, trying to get back consistent with my videos, you feel me? So we just finna get into it, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? We just getting into it today, tapping the gas, you know what I'm saying, in traffic. I see we in traffic. Shout out to them boys, though. My traction was on. They wanted me to. Them boy, young boy, want you to go crazy. Cuz talking about you gonna give us a burnout. Cuz, nigga, you juvenile, bitch. I'm grown, bitch. You ain't gonna go to jail. I will. That boy gotta learn, but these niggas ain't. Hey, boys. Hey, these boys ain't playing like they used to, bro. You can get away with a lot back in the day. You can't do that now, boy. Telling you. Dang, my bad, y'all. I just hit y'all in the face. I'm sorry. But yeah, you can't do it like I used to, cuz. Woo-hoo. Turn me up, cuz. This therapy. This therapy for me, cuz. Stick 'em. Just a little cut up in traffic. Olivia feels so good in sport, bro. That junk get crazy. Crazy. Insane in the membrane, ugly. Turn my air on, bro. It's humid out here. Need them fan blowing. Need them fan blowing. But yeah, man, them young boys, but these young boys crazy these days. But you gonna do a burnout, cuz? This is not ATL back in 2019, cuz. These folks hell on wheels. And bro got his bright lights on, bro. Y'all see that? Like, cuz tripping, bro. Stop hanging, man. Stop hanging, cuz. I can't even tell who you are. I know you're an F-150. I don't trust F-150s, cuz. I don't trust nothing for it, bro. Y'all see what he is, bro? Look at that. He just shining out in y'all face, bro. I don't see nothing on him. I don't know. I don't trust them for it, boy. Y'all boys, I don't know, cuz. I forgot to turn my lights on. So if I had a cat, y'all boys would hear that whine. Now y'all just gotta hear that back end talk, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all boys ever spent some money with a cash app, bro? And then it pop up on your phone saying you spent this, you be thinking you got some money? I be getting happy as hell. Whole time, and I ain't even getting nothing. Money just lost. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. My problems have all gone. There's no one here beside me. Niggas still pump gas with their shirt off, bro. In 2024, it ain't even hot outside, cuz. Sun gone. I think niggas just like to ride around shirtless. And niggas don't even go to the gym to do that. They just be regular niggas, like nigga with love handles and all kind of shit. Cuz just got his shirt off, cuz, for no reason. Look at cuz. No reason. Big got a whole prison tattoo on their back. Shout out to brother. Yeah, we got a car in sport, you feel me? With traction and track. But yeah, man. That's what's going on. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, cuz. These damn shit's stupid though. Come on, man. Ain't no better downshifts than no Olivia downshifts, cuz. Look at these niggas. But listen to that Go Jay! Don't get me copyrighted, bro. Ugly. Bro got 1998 on his. Bro got my birthday year on the tag. That hard. I need to get that tag. We need to switch, cuz. But yeah, man, how y'all feeling today, man? How y'all day going, car crew and future car crew that watching? You feel me? How y'all boy day going, cuz? Let me turn my lights on. So these boys be on me. Dang, I forgot how to work my car. Hold on. Gotta turn them back on. That smell like cigarettes and butt cheese, boy. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I ain't planning on making this video that long either. But the video started off crazy, but that young boy just like, that boy had me to ride in the whip. That boy said, you gonna do a burnout? I said, a burnout? Woo! Talk to me. Yeah, them boy like, you gonna do a burnout? I'm like, burnout? Me? Car beats? Burnout? Ugly. But no, man, I don't condone and all that, man. Scoot doodly doo, ugly. Come on, cuz, what you doing? What you doing? Dang, boy. You gotta watch out for yourself and others. Always remember that, car crew. Keep your head on a swivel and make that Scatpack wiggle. You know what I am? I'm gonna turn around though. Ain't really too much downhill for me, but trouble, ugly. Get out my way. Let me in here. Hold on. I gotta come in slow. Alright. What you gonna do, bro? Pick a side, bro, and stick to it. Get your head out the window. Cuz she got a big boy pit, slab bully, slab mutt. Let me just go that way. But yeah, man, like I was saying, oh! Boy, that done bamboozled me. It was a curve right here. Ooh, this thing must split off. Man, who that scat at right there? I might need to turn back around on him. Cuz look like he might want to play or something. Cuz might want to play or something. Hold on. I know I scared the hell out of this. I scared the hell out of his ass. Turn me up, cuz. Turn me up, cuz. Turn me up, cuz. What you got for me, cuz? Oh, that blind side. That blind side ass. Hell no. out July. I see a scat bomb on you. I see a scat bomb on you, cuz. I'm on you like white on ride, nigga. I'm on you like white on ride, nigga. But no, yeah. Had to get a little action. Well, it's dark over there, bitch. Well, yeah. Cuz finna turn off. I ain't finna go that way. I just wanted to fool with you, cuz. I just wanted to fool with you, cuz. I'm straight, cuz. I don't know what's going on with me today, man. I just feel good. I don't know what's going on, car crew. Y'all just enjoy it. Hit that like button. I didn't mean for this video to be that long. It ain't that long, but it ain't gonna be too much longer. But yeah, I put gas on the car just for y'all boys. I ain't have no intentions on doing anything but cruising. But you feel me, you know? I mean, I'm here. You know what I mean? Give me another one. Stick 'em. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I don't even got too much to say for real. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got my lights on or nothing. Hopefully y'all rocking, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all rocking with the POV. You feel me? Cutting up in traffic, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, nothing too crazy. You feel me? Open some water. Can't play with that. But, yeah, man. What I was saying, though, if I really interrupted. But back again to them boys I saw. Let me just stop. I ain't even finna be like that. But yeah, them boys I had saw at the gas station, man. As soon as I was fueling up. Them boys, shout out to them boys, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they subscribe. They become potential car crew, you know what I'm saying? They like what they see, you feel me? All that good stuff, man. Them boys said they wanted to get in the car with me while I go crazy. I was like, I can't do that, cuz. I don't do that too much. It ain't even nothing against it. It's just that I just don't do that, you know what I'm saying? And y'all boy young too, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna get me in trouble. Your parents be like, boy, where the hell you at, bud? I'm finna beat your ass, bud. Ugly ass, what? Bro, the echo of my car is crazy. Not gonna lie. It don't do y'all no justice, but nigga, what happened to my jug? Damn, my jug fell? I had a jug of juice, I had fall on the ground. Going forward, I've been going this way. So it should be going this way. Am I right? Or am I right? Yeah, man. Yeah, I ain't really got too much else to say. I might pull up to a gas station, give me some reels in, stuff like that. But yeah, car crew, y'all boys just let me know, man. What else y'all like to see? How y'all like that POV? You feel me? Yeah. Just comment down below. Just show love, man. How your day been? How you feeling? Is it your birthday? When your birthday? Where you from? Who you know? What you know? Ugly. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. Y'all boys can interact with me, bro. On bike, nigga. Ugly. But yeah. Y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys comment down below, man. What y'all like to see? Just comment down below in general, you feel me? I know it'd be some trolls in the comments, some haters. People that just like to hate just because, you know what I'm saying? That cool too. I'll reply to you, you know what I'm saying? I know that's what y'all boy want. You ain't gotta say nothing crazy for me to reply to you, bro. I reply, you know what I'm saying, good comments, or I at least like them, you feel me, or heart them. You know what I'm saying? But, you feel me, that's just how y'all boy work, that's how y'all operate. That's just how y'all niggas operate, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, see if I can give me a little thunder here, cuz. I'm talking about tight beat. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over right here in that little gas station. You feel me? Little gas station. You know what I'm saying? Pull up, hop out, make it look sexy, ugly. Man, what you doing? That last Z. That's an old head. Old head and a Z? What the hell Z stand for? Zebra? But yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little outside look for all my new supporters, new future supporters. How are my windows? I ain't even finna ask, bro. Inside. Yeah, y'all boys a little walk around. Come on, man. Peep it. Come on. I don't even have my lights on for y'all to see all that, but yeah. Folks don't even know I got that for real. You know what I'm saying? Real deal, Holyfield. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see LED lights going crazy. You know what I'm saying? LED light to match. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Something slight. I feel like I'm talking a lot. I don't really talk that much. Y'all know I just drive. Let y'all boy, you know, some Peter Rivers. Y'all boys ain't seen nobody with these, bro. These are 101. These are 101, 109. Ain't nobody in my area got these, cuz. Ain't nobody I've been around got these. Them boys shooting fireworks already. I'm glad they fireworks and not that fire. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Nice little cut up session. It's a nice little picture right there. But yeah, man, y'all boy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button like I was saying, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Let me know how y'all like the whip. Let me know how y'all like the POV. All that good stuff, man. Y'all see we out here in the, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Like I also said in all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. Sky's the limit and you can touch it, car and crew. You feel me? And like I also say for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Y'all boys stay prayed up, stay blessed, stay safe out here in these streets, man. You feel me? Keep God first and build that trust, bro. I'm telling you, it's hard, but build the trust, man. Take you a long way. You know what I'm saying? But, like I also said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.